yesterday. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss was a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and own you. Yeah, I got one girl, you got one, and that day is the only two. Man, how many times have I shown it, boo? Man, how many nights I've been walking, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. We're gone for a year, only more like months. Life move fast.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tayana and we are doing a reset video, as you can tell by the title. So I like to start my morning off by just relaxing in the bed for a little bit before I get up and get my day started. Then I just go over to the bathroom and do my quick oral hygiene as well as my skincare just to get the day going.
I wanna know what she's about. Will you be my lady? I wanna contract down low, maybe. Meantime, it's some me time. I'll be doing what you want. Maybe I'll look myself. I don't know. Give me a mirror, fuck myself. Sit in the mirror, up myself. Don't need much, so fuck my will. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. We're gone for a year, only more like months. Life move fast when you do what you want.
Next, we're just gonna hop over to the kitchen just to get some coffee and also do a little quick breakfast. I don't know what it is, but I'm always gonna make a coffee in the morning. Like, I really need to try and scale back, but I'm just so addicted to coffee that I just have to have it every morning. So when it comes to breakfast, I don't do an elaborate breakfast, every day. So I like to do it on the weekends because I can take my time and just have a nice slow morning with a good hearty breakfast. So today I just started to make some eggs, cheese eggs, sausage, and pancakes with a side of fruit.
My new steps like Halle Berry. But she don't love me, she too scary. My old is fine like Jackie Brown.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. Is my secret safe? Safe with just you and me. We can leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes.
And I just went and put on something comfortable so that I can go ahead and get my cleaning done for the day. I didn't really have to do too much. I just need to tidy up the kitchen, fluff up the couches, wipe things down, just a little bit of cleaning. I didn't show everything because I do have a pretty detailed video of, just my deep cleaning already on my channel, so go ahead and check that out. But yeah, so I'm just wiping all the counters down and just making sure everything is spick and span. Yeah, just to get the week started off right, nice and clean, nice and fresh. And guys, I feel like if you're not cleaning with bleach, then what are you doing? And I love this Scrub Daddy so much. Like, it gets everything so clean. I literally don't use anything else to scrub. Like, I can't believe I've been sleeping on this for so long. But yeah, so I'm just going ahead and cleaning my stove, and I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe down the oven door just to make sure I get in every nook and cranny, because you know, food always falls in those little areas that you never really think about. So I really need to clean out my microwave because it was looking crazy. It was looking a hot mess, so that was a must. I also made sure to get the stainless steel wipes to make sure I wiped everything down as far as the microwave, the stove, and the fridge. I also just had to take this trash out because it was clearly overflowing, and I also made sure that I went ahead and cleaned out the trash can and also disinfected it before I put a new bag in there. So I'm just going ahead and taking off my sheets so I can go ahead and get those washed for the week, and also go ahead and do the laundry. So I always like to use the pods for my laundry and whatever fabric softener, and I always have to use the scent boosters. Like, that's a mess. Like, I just love for my clothes to smell so good. So I just feel like if you're not using scent boosters, then you're not doing your laundry. And of course, I always have to make sure I have fresh flowers for the week. This is a must. I'm definitely a rose girl for sure. Like, I love roses so much. Red ones, white ones, pink ones, like any other color, like I just love them. But red has to be my favorite rose color. So yeah, here I am just putting some fresh flowers out for the week. Look at them, so pretty. Like, they just really make me feel like my week is starting. So now here we are going to get some groceries. What's a Sunday reset without going to the grocery store? So now that we have put our groceries away, I like to go ahead and make a fresh batch of green juice for, I would say, about 3 days, and then I'm back to making another batch. So I'm just using some cucumbers, some celery, some kale, apples, a couple oranges, and some lemon juice because I totally forgot to get lemons. But yeah, so I'm using my juicer. I love this thing. It's the Nama J2 juicer. Best investment ever. So I'm just cutting up all my fruits and vegetables. I'm just gonna throw them into the juicer and get to work.
In the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like ice, how you always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, her money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fake. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini roaring when I hop at the truck. Pretty like Lauren with a big butt, yup. Pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on.
Then, of course, to start winding down for the night, I like to go ahead and take a nice relaxing shower, nice and hot, scrubbing everything, and I also shaved as well. Now I'm just doing my skincare for the night. Tonight I decided to treat myself and do some real self-care. So I did a face mask just to get rid of the gunk because my skin has been going through it, and I also put on these eye masks, which I've never used before, and oh my gosh, they felt so good. So I'm definitely going to be adding that into my routine weekly. So I just put a timer on to keep my mask on, and while I did that, I just went ahead and moisturized after the shower. I'm using the EOS vanilla, like the best EOS scent ever. I love it so much. So I'm just moisturizing, and I'm just going to go in with some deodorant while this mask sits on. Now I'm just finishing up in the bathroom, and then we're going to head over to the kitchen so we can really unwind for the day. I love to put on some fresh pajamas, nice and moisturized, smelling good. And I'm just checking dinner because I already have that going in the oven. And then I just want to pour myself a glass of wine just to relax for the night. So that's pretty much how I unwind and reset on Sundays. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.